Health Minister Langpok Lakpam Jayantakumar launches the first digital workplace solution, e-Office of Health Society, Manipur. And BOSIM Chairman cum Director of Education S. T.H. Kiran Kumar announces to commence HSLC examination from February 17, 2020 under new guidelines. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Afternoon News and I'm Premi Thangdum, bringing you the top stories. Health Minister Langpok Lakpam Jayantakumar has launched the first digital workplace solution, e-Office of Health Society Manipur today. Speaking in the event at Health Minister's Secretariat Office in Babupara, Health Minister L. Jayantakumar lauded the Health Department's new initiative and said that its transparency and accountability works. He proclaimed that it is a part of the state government's good governance. Minister Jayantakumar asserted that the e-office system will curb various problems such as accidental deletion or misplaced files of the department. He maintained that the department officials will be able to manage file processing in a more secure way with the help of the new system and as well as handle file processing issues. He hoped that the state government shall launch such initiatives in other departments for the welfare of the people and the state. Taking part in the event, Principal Secretary Health and Family Welfare asserted that Health Department's new initiative will greatly facilitate the officials of the department in speeding up file processing works and improve public services. Scientist F of State Information Officer Manipur, KH representatives of NIC Manipur and Delhi took part in the event.
Transparency what pigi wari miyam ko no yawa the accountability what pigi wari miyam the data security the short of the wari miyam yawa masi ko department ko to channel bes masi ko na negate tong na ba masi avoid tong na ba na si system jang si introduce sok ba na ba tai to ko access to si NIC kangbu sing de ro na SN wari ba Dr. Thangpa kom man access to ra ko yam thuna jaga jaga da machine sing install to matun da ko mission na deal to file kara vai changki kadang thoraki kadi file no kara vai ta kyam kini pinang lei hai even the officers na to the chatna leiragasu office pham lagasu atum contact to ya ba makil pot na device moi ba ye sarkari good governance ke patam oi rir mase kon yan han bani.
BOSIM Chairman cum Director of Education S. T.H. Kiran Kumar has announced that the High School Living Certificate examination conducted by BOSIM will be held under new guidelines from February 17, 2020 onwards. Speaking to media at BOSIM office in Babupara today, BOSIM Chairman Kiran Kumar stated that there will be changes right from the answer scripts of students and that filling up of examination forms will be done online. Chairman Kiran Kumar also said that limited number of answer scripts will be given to teachers for checking, unlike previous years when teachers could check as many answer scripts as they like. He also asserted that answer scripts of subject toppers and top 10 subjects will be made available on BOSIM website to avoid tussles among toppers after results declaration. He maintained that answer keys of the examination will also be uploaded on BOSIM website and opinions from experts will be invited for 3 days. T.H. Kiran Kumar asserted that arrangements have been made to provide necessary trainings to stakeholders to fit in the new examination pattern.
Ozasingnasu check tawiribo ozasingna amadi head examiner singdasu hena hana toromadagi masa matamda masa section jananaba adugumba tanja ama lakadoribani chatra chatri singnasu thagaliba answer script singdu akoigi sima chummi chumde habadu ma yengjaba yare aduga but the board is planning that akoigi yam section na tawani aduga akoigi rank ta kaida semdok pokotokpodo adudi yarigai akoi tawraroi habadu ma akoi aduma thamjage ahong mayam se handaki laiba metric pekhasida chauna lakani aduna mayamna su porta thajabiwa thambiu aduga mayamgi kanoki examination sinbasu mateng pang.
Responding to Impact News query regarding inconveniences facing students due to non-availability of textbooks on time every year, the chairman assured that students will no longer face such inconveniences starting next year. He asserted that efforts will be made to complete printing of textbooks by December before starting the new academic session in January 2020. The chairman mentioned that printing of half of the required textbooks is completed and that the textbooks are in stock. He appealed to bookstore owners to fetch the textbooks from BOSIM on time.
Dakti lairik namba ngantana nami ngachi ngantana procurator lairik ngan nami aduga issue si lairik ngan namgi issue tongan ba issue atopa side effects mayam leiba aduna board sida hojik lairik angak poda pairaga lei hojin numi khuding lairik pusalai thambam lei chalatre thambam lei ka de khoi kaidogen godown nam negla ani board ta paisa hena chalani aduna lairik ngan namma matamda khoi namu mayam na paisa ngan na piu harakani sendong yamna leiba pot sunati aduna board ta akhoi gi economy da chauna effect tawba na hojik su akhoi dukan singda akoina request of gaise election an leibi.
Religious Council of the Kabui community, Tinkau Rakwang Chapriak Foam, Assam, Manipur and Nagaland held its Silver Jubilee celebrations today. Chief Minister Nungthombam Biren graced the event held on the theme Nurture the Indigenous Religion at the Shrine of Tinkau Rakwang in Chingmairong Kabui village. Speaking at the event, Chief Minister N. Biren lauded Kabui community for preserving their age-old customs, rituals and tradition. The Chief Minister unveiled a Silver Jubilee memorial column on the occasion. Attendees performed traditional ritual ceremonies to please their deity, Tinkau Rakwang, at the commencement of the event, followed by lighting ceremony by the Chief Minister to begin the Silver Jubilee celebrations. Chief Minister Biren assured that the state government will sanction annual budget for holding Gangai celebrations, which is the New Year festival of Zaliarong community. He opined that preservation and promotion of the age-old customs and traditions of various communities will propagate peace and harmony in the state. Village youths performed various vibrant traditional dance performances marking the day.
Despite many forces, armed kulai kuthang the trident doba, adagi makal makagi threat later bhavada. Ngasi akoi Jalorungi Tinkau Rakwang Sapirak form a religious council semakanda. Ngasi bhawa survived orkanda sukyamna mayam leibang ambase masi gidamaktai mayam boy appreciate away. I koi mean respect of wise. I get dharma do danate. I Hindu salaga, I Christian salaga, natragana, I si salaga nate. I gi lady firef. Aigi strain, aigi dignity. Aina aigi ipa ipu singing aga thambangam ba poto madugi quality duni. Ariba ipa ipu singa salamba satna miramba sigi posina expand oraga koi majority wera kanda ai koi masel gi markta nungsina ba hena porkani. Ai koi masel gi markta amatto bi wakhal do hena.
Miscreants have planted a bomb on the roadside of Sangai Kuki village under Litan police station on Imphal Ukril Road. 26 Assam Rifles personnel discovered a bomb at around 6:30 a.m. today while they were on road opening patrol ROP duty. Imphal Ukril Road was blocked for some time. A bomb squad team of the Assam Rifles came to the spot and defused the bomb safely at the foothill in the area at around 9:40 a.m. And on that note, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on Prime Minister Narendra Modi to address rallies at Daltoganj and Gumla for assembly polls in Jharkhand. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break and you're watching Afternoon News. As the Bharatiya Janata Party BJP gears up for the assembly polls in Jharkhand, Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be in Daltoganj and Gumla on Monday to address rallies. BJP President Amit Shah formally launched the party's campaign in the state on Thursday with a rally in which he accused the Congress of blocking the construction of the Ram Temple in Ayodhya. Elections for 81 assembly seats in Jharkhand will be held in 5 phases beginning from November 13th, and the results will be announced on December 23rd. And now to sports news. Manipur team has bagged a total of 50 medals, including 29 gold, 14 silver and 7 bronze to clinch the runners-up title at the 8th AITWFI National Traditional Wrestling and Pankrashan Championship 2019 held at LB Stadium in Hyderabad from November 21st to 24th. Maharashtra claimed the overall team champions title by bagging altogether 98 gold medals, while host Telangana secured 20 gold medals and bagged a second runners-up title. Sportspersons of 24 states including Manipur, Nagaland, Assam, West Bengal, Orissa, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Telangana, Tamil Nadu and Delhi competed in belt wrestling, mass wrestling, Kajakuras, Pankrashan and various belt wrestling events of the championships. In badminton, India's Lakshya Sen has won the Scottish Open men's single title, defeating Brazilian Gore Colho to seal his fourth title in 3 months. Entering the tournament as a top seed, the world number 41 resisted an 18-21, 21, 18, 21, 19 win in 56 minutes to claim the title in Glasgow. The 18-year-old Indian started his year with a silver medal at the Polish Open International Challenge in March. After a series of disappointing exits, Sen went on to win the Belgian International in September, his first title of the year. Within a month, Lakshya won his first BWF Super 100 title at the Dutch Open, with the second one coming soon after at the Lord Lux Open in Germany. He will be seen in action in the Syed Modi International Championship starting tomorrow in Lucknow. Chennai FC will lock horns with Hyderabad in a league match of the ongoing Indian Super League ISL at Chennai's Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium tonight at 7:30 p.m. In a league match played at Pune's Shri Chhatrapati Shivaji Sports Complex yesterday, Odisha and ATK ended in a goalless draw. In tennis, world number 1 Rafael Nadal has clinched 6th Davis Cup title for Spain after beating Denis Shapovalov of Canada in front of Jubilee home ground in Madrid. Nadal defeated Shapovalov 6-3, 7-6, 9-7 to clinch Spain's 2-0 win against Canada. Earlier yesterday, compatriot Roberto Agut put Nadal in position to clinch the trophy with a 7-6, 6-3 win against Felix Auger-Aliassime in the opener. The world number 1 has won all 8 of his rubber this week to help Spain to a first title since 2011. In 2010, Nadal won 3 majors, but the 33-year-old will likely look back on 2019 as an extraordinary year, as he won the French Open and the US Open, made the Australian Open final and also reached the Wimbledon semi-finals. And in wrestling, India concluded its campaign at the Under-15 Asian Championships with 28 medals, including 13 gold, 14 silver and a bronze. The superb show by Indian grapplers continued as they won 5 gold on the last day at Taichung, China yesterday. Led by 2019 Cadet World Championships bronze medalist Deepak Chahal, the freestyle grapplers captured 4 gold while 1 gold came in the Greco-Roman category. While Chahal won the gold in 75 kg, Vishal in 62 kg, Sagar Jaglan in 68 kg and Jatin in 85 kg, where the others who finished on the top podium. Most impressive of the lot was Sagar. He was down 1-6 against Yarkhan of Kazakhstan before marking a remarkable turnaround in the last 20 seconds to win the bout 7-6. Harsh remained unbeatable in 44 kg category of Greco-Roman. For the first time, India finished on top of the team rankings in freestyle category with 225 points as all 10 wrestlers finished on the podium. Kazakhstan finished second while Japan was third. Before we end, let's take a look at headlines once again. Health Minister Langpok Lakpam Jayantakumar launches the first digital workplace solution, e-Office of Health Society, Manipur. And BOSM Chairman cum Director of Education S.T.H. Kiran Kumar announces the Commons HSLC examination from February 17, 2020 under new guidelines.